Hey guys, Lindsay in Business Development at Morgan Financial, sit next to Joe Harris, our COO.
Hello, everybody. How you doing today?
So if you're here to learn about COEs, you're in the right place. So Joe, what is a Certificate of Eligibility?
Oh, great question. So COE is the acronym for Certificate of Eligibility, and that's the document that proves to the lender that a borrower, a veteran borrower, is eligible for a VA loan.
Awesome. So what exactly, why is a COE so important? Obviously, it only is specific to VA loans. Mm-hmm. So why is that so important in this transaction?
Well, so the COE proves to the lender, so the VA doesn't actually make loans. So people have this misconception that a VA loan is done by the Veterans Administration and it is done by the government. And that's just not the case. So a VA loan is actually done by a lender such as Morgan Financial. And
preferably Morgan
Financial. But it's there. It proves to the lender. It's a document that they get from the VA that proves to the lender that they're eligible for a VA loan. That doesn't mean they necessarily are guaranteed a VA loan because they still have to qualify for the loan, but it shows the lender that they're eligible for a VA loan. It's your ticket to entry, if you will.
Awesome. So it's basically just the first step that you need to take to get the VA loan done.
Correct. It is one of the first steps you're going to take in getting the VA. Well, it is the first step. Is if you're not eligible for a VA loan, there's no VA loan for you. So right. The VA they just guarantee the loan to the lender. So not to confuse things, but that's that ticket to entry for a VA loan.
So how does one obtain their COE? Is that the responsibility of the borrower? Is that the responsibility of the lender? Explain a little bit about how that works.
Absolutely. So there's a couple of different ways to get the VA's Certificate of Eligibility. The first way is the borrower can go onto the Veterans Portal, the e-portal, and obtain it that way. So they can go on the e-benefits portal to obtain it. That's the first way, okay? And if you don't know what that is or you don't know how to do that, that's fine. There's a way to do it by mail. You have to have a VA form 26-1880. 26-1880.
I'm writing that down.
And you have to provide proof of your military service with your DD-214 if you've exited the military, or with current orders if you're currently in the military. And you have to give some personal information like, your date of birth, your address, and things like that. And there's a third way to get it, which is probably, in my opinion, the easiest way to get your COE, and that's to work with a VA-approved lender.
Awesome.
Do you know any VA-approved lenders?
Coincidentally, funny you should ask, Joe, I do. Morgan Financial is veteran-owned, operated, and focused. We'd be happy to help you with that.
Okay. So the third way is if you don't want to do it through the e-benefits portal, and you don't want to mail in something, a form, and risk, probably doing it right or wrong, who knows, a VA-approved lender such as Morgan Financial would be more than happy to help you. There's no fee for that. If a lender tells you, oh, I have to charge for that, or you have to go with me for the loan, they're full of baloney. It's a thing we do for our customers. It's very easy. We can do it in minutes, it's seconds, really, once we have the information. And we can give you that most cases on the spot. There are some cases where you just can't get that information instantly, in which we have a means to help you get that information from the VA.
That's awesome. And It's kind of cool that we are veteran-owned, operated, and focused. Yes, I will plug again. It just helps with the understanding the importance of getting the COE.
Right. So look, if you're out there and looking for, trying to figure out what's my first step in a VA loan, and you need help with your COE, give us a call here at Morgan Financial. We'd be more than happy to help you, or just, send us an email or put your information in down below, however it is. And if this information was helpful for you, please share, and give it to someone who can use it.
Awesome.
Yep. That's all we got. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.